Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to solve a board program, and this program is in your board program file. So children, this is a program in which you have to create a binary file that contains name and roll number. You have to search for a given roll number and display the name. And if it not found, then you have to display the appropriate message. So children, we know very well this is a binary file. So first we have to import pickle module. Import pickle. Firstly, we are going to create a file. Okay, firstly we have to open the file with the help of open function. Open file name student.dat. We have to open it into write mode, that is WB assess mode. After opening it, we have to insert 2 or 3 records in it to create a file. So firstly we declare an empty list here. After that we will apply for loop here for entering records for 2 students. Firstly, we are going to enter roll number of the student, integer, input, enter roll number. And one more field we have to enter here, that is your name. Name is equal to input, enter name. After that, we have to put this roll number and name in a list like this. S is equal to roll number, name. And we have to append this list in this list. Okay, that means the record will be in the form of nested list. T.append S. After that, we are going to write this list of the list or the nested list in a file like this, and we know very well we can write in a binary file with the help of dump function T, and where we have to write in the file student.dat, that is pointed by file pointer F. After that we are going to close the file. Again we open the file in the read mode children. F is equal to open student.dat in read mode. After that we read all the records from the file with the help of load function pickle.load F. Now P is in the nested list. From this we have to pick a record one by one like this. For I in P, we will take one more argument here, flag is equal to 0. For as a indicator, if we found the record, then we set the value of the flag as a 1 and we come out from the loop by setting the value flag 1. And on the basis of this indicator, we are going to decide either we come out from the loop by executing the full loop or in between by breaking the loop. After that, we are going, here again beta, we are going to ask the record roll number which the user want to search. Integer input, enter roll number you want to search. After that, when we pick one record from the nested list, we will check if I0 means to say I contain the whole record in which the roll number or name is there. Roll number is present on the 0th index of I and roll name is present at the 1 index of I. If I0 double equal to user defined roll number, then what we have to do? That means we found the record. We have to set the indicator as 1 and we come out from the loop by breaking the loop with the help of break statement. After this, when we come out from the loop, we are going to check the value of the flag, the indicator value. If it is 1, that means we come out from the loop by breaking the loop. We break the loop only when we found the record. When the user defined roll number match with the recorded roll number. Okay. If flag double equal to 1, then we have to print record found, else record not found. Else record not found. One more thing children, and in last we have to do f dot close. We have to close the file. One more thing children, we also have if we found the record, we also have to display the name. So here if we found the record, then we have to display the name. That means name is present at I1 location. We have to print I1 here. Okay. In this way, we will do this program. Do it practically on your laptop or computer. We will also do the same type of program in the program list in the later videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.